Here I have Sony Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I'm going to show you how to change volume buttons function in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, tap on the gear icon to access its settings, and here you can find volume button S. So like you can set it to zoom, volume, or just shutter. So I'm gonna try to use it as zoom. So let's try it with the front camera. Okay, so here the zoom currently not available, so it only works with rear camera, and let me show you how it works. So you just hold down, as you can see it zooms when you like hold down volume up or volume down. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.